So we're really here just to speak to our customers, promote the brands, I would say, and we've had some really exciting changes recently. There's lots to talk about really, and yeah, just really helping our customers find the right products for their needs.
Well, I'm here to demonstrate that launch is moving to its next phase in its evolution.
I'm here to support launch and, well, make some friends. Our new tools like the Launch Euro is obviously a big hit because it's our latest and greatest. We've got the Tab 3, which was renowned to be one of our best tools we've ever sold. Everyone still loves that. And we've got a big array of toys we can play with as well. And obviously we're up and coming with motorcycle, which is a keen favourite of mine, and I'm doing a lot of R&D work with our engineers with that at the moment.
Generally, to demonstrate EV products, Launch have got an incredible range now, from the simple EV oscilloscope, the EV multimeter, all the way up to the cell balancer, digital power supply. They've got the EV side covered. It's been really good, lots of interest, lots of colleges that are wanting to do the training and they want to boost their product range and training aids. But a lot of people realizing that if they don't get involved, they're going to have missed the boat. So garages that feel it's time to move on and move up, and they are inquiring about EV equipment.
We're here to show people the Launch range of products. I can't believe how busy we've been.
It's been really good. It's been really, really busy actually. I did this show about a decade ago. It's really evolved. I've had loads of customers on the stand, lots of interest. So it's been great really, yeah.
It's been mental. It's absolutely manic today. It's just fantastic. A lot of footfall, more than we're used to. Can't say any more than that really. It's been brilliant.
Everyone's interested in Launch at the moment. It's great for us. You know, it's a growing product. Really, when you put on a show like this, that's exactly what you need.